Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to change a user account to administrator on Windows 11. This allows the selected account to install apps, change system settings, and perform other administrative tasks. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your computer. Now click on Accounts from the left side. Then select Other Users. Next, click on the account that you want to make an administrator. Now click on Change Account Type. A new window will appear. Click on the drop-down menu that currently says Standard User. Select Administrator from the list. Then click OK. The selected account will now have administrator privileges on your computer. So this is how you can change a user account to administrator on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.